Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about the coding for tree. So if you guys watched the video for my in order visual, pre-order visual, and post-order visual, then you should be watching this video. If you didn't, don't watch this video and watch the other videos I've showed you. Okay, first we're going to start with the class binary tree. Then this is just a class. This is related to oops, okay? Then define in itself, okay? This init over here in line 2 means you can add more data, okay? And self means it represents the object. So far it's representing data. Then we make the self.data. Data here in the tree is our root node. So we can say key, for example, 10. So self.data is data, okay? Then self.left, which is our left value, has nothing in it. Then right value has nothing in it too. Then define our insert function. So here we have to define our insert function. What we're going to do here first is we're going to, oh, why do I have that there? Okay, we're going to have an insert function to insert these datas. Self-define insert self.data. If self.data is less than if data is less than self.data, so let's say our data is for 10. Write this in your notebook, which is our root, like key node. Okay, we can say the root node. Let's say I have a number. So data over here is our root node, the number 10. Self.data is whatever number we're putting in here. Let's say 7. Okay? Then that's our left node. If there's nothing in the left node, let's say there's no value in this left node, we can insert 7 here. But there's like, for example, 6. 7 will go on the right side of 6. Same thing for the right code. Next, we make our in order formula, the formula for in order, okay? And the formula for pre-order and post-order. So if you don't know those formulas, you stop watching the video, okay? I've told it before, you should watch my other videos about in order tree travisul, in order travisul, not this video, the other videos, in order travisul, pre-order travisul, and post-order travisul. Okay, remember the formulas on these ones. Then we make our root node, which is 10. Here I'm gonna make a tree. So first node we're going to have is our root node 10. Let's say, where is it? Yeah, 10. Okay, 10. Let's say, for example. Then This is the root node 10, okay? Then we go with 20 over here. Then 15 should go on the left, as you know that. 39 should go on the right. 0 should go on the left. 0. Then 12 should go on the left of 15. And that's our binary search tree. Now, if you know the formula for the in order, that's good for you. So for I list, for all the values of I in this list, right, we have over here, we insert this root dot, so this root node, the 10, we insert all the values of I in it, like how I just did here. There. So if you know the formula for in order, that's okay, then that's good for you. See? If you know the in order formula, 0, 10, 12, 15, and 39. Okay, it's that simple. I can do pre-order for you too. 10, 0, 12, 15, 29. If you know it, write it in your notebook. Closed order. 0, 12, 15, 20, 39, and 10. It's that easy. Okay? So thank everyone for listening about my video about the coding for tree. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it, and bye.